So this is my mum's TV, which randomly started just showing a blue tinted screen. And every time I Google it, says it's something in the picture settings, but it's totally not. It's something deep in the hardware. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're going to have a look and see if we can do something. She's already bought a new TV, so she doesn't actually need this one. But what a waste of a TV. If we can fix it, you know? So I'm just going to finish unscrewing all these screws and see what it looks like behind. And even if we don't fix it, we've had an interesting look, I guess. So you forgot that screw. I don't know why that one just having a look to see if it says anything on here. No, not really. Something about nothing. Don't actually know what I'm looking for or what I'm looking at, but surely I might be able to discover something. It's just totally gone blue, like it's really weird. It's definitely not in the pictures. It's like the backlight, you know, is kind of, hey, that's cool. It's like magneted on there. What's this? If anyone knows what they're doing, it'd be good. Just comment in the box. This one says VLED 2. Maybe it has something to do with this. Maybe. I wonder if it's a bit further in, like, oh, hang on, there's something at the bottom here. LG display. This is a Panasonic TV. Maybe it's Can we go a bit deeper, shall we? Well, no real idea. There's nothing that's jumping out at me that says, look, I am the colour and I'm what's going wrong. Except that thing that's buzzing me out. What is that? Input. Oh, that's the buttons. That says channel up. Sorry, it's upside down. Channel up, channel down, volume up, volume down. Input, and the buttons must on the back of the TV must be there. So those are the buttons. At least we're getting somewhere. So I'll just put that back like that. SRB LED. Just not sure. These are cool, they like magnet on. Surely this has something to do with the picture side of things. I'm not sure, but I'm going to post this video up now anyway, and if anybody has any idea, comment below and tell me what the fuck to do for my blue tinted Panasonic TV screen. Must have something to do with these, surely. What am I looking for, and how do I fix it? And yeah, comment down below, tell me what I need to do.